Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you how to migrate files from Google Drive to OneDrive. So first you want to select the files that you want to download. I'm just gonna download one file right now. But if you want more than one file, so suppose 2 or 3 or more, it's gonna create a zip folder for you. And then the steps are the same. So now you go to OneDrive and add new, and then files upload. Then here you can see this is the video that I want to upload to OneDrive. As you can see, it's uploading. It may take a while for it to fully upload. And as you can see, here is the video that I just uploaded from Google Drive to OneDrive, and basically that is it. That is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.